Hey guys, welcome back to the video, guys. And in this video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can turn off, you know, My Pay feature in Chime. So it's a very straightforward process. I'm going to guide you on how to do this step by step. So first things first, what we want to do is open the Chime app on your mobile device and just log into your account. Make sure you're actually on the home screen. Now, from the home screen, I want you to tap on the settings icon, okay, which is usually located at the top right corner of the app, and this will take you to this settings menu where you can manage, various features. So what you want to be doing is you want to scroll down, okay, scroll down until you find the My Pay option under the payments or account preferences section. You want to tap on it to access the My Pay settings, okay? So to disable My Pay, all you need to do is you need to toggle the switch next to it to the off option, okay? You might need you might actually be asked to confirm this action. So what you want to do is you want to follow any on-screen prompts to complete the process. And once done, guys, what's going to happen is you will receive a confirmation notification or email, stating that MyPay has been turned off successfully, guys. And that is it, guys. Turning off My Pay on Chime is super easy, guys. So if this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, guys. Make sure you turn on that bell notification so that you get notified when we upload our next video. And until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.